Let's make the most favorite snack of the monsoon season, samosa matar chaat. See, the flaky, crispy, and the most delicious snack, the samosa. Exactly like market, halwai style. It's very easy and you can make it in your kitchen only. So these are all ingredients and it's very much easy. So without any delay, let's make it. So we have lemon, green chili, green coriander leaves, boiled potato, and this is the dry green peas. So I soaked it overnight and it becomes 1.5 cup. So I will boil it in the pressure cooker. Add 2 glass of water, turmeric powder and required salt and give it to the pressure of 3 whistle and let it open. See the perfect cooked green matar. Use white matar also. It is available in the market. You can get it very easily. Add the remaining water of the pressure cooker. Don't worry, it becomes thick while cool down. Now I will peel the potato. Put it oil in the pan and heat it. Now add grated ginger, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander seeds. Sorry, I don't have coriander seeds, so I am using coriander powder. Don't worry, taste will be the same. Roast well. An aroma have come. Now I will add black pepper. I have crushed in the crusher and add to it and mix it. Now I will add potato. See, I will crush by the hand. So all the boiled potato I will crush it and add into the pan and again mix it with the spices. Cook at medium flame at 5 minutes only and add required salt as per your taste. Okay, again mix it and switch off the flame and let it cool down. I will take in the bowl. See, and now let it cool down. Now I will make green chutney. So in a blender jar I will add green coriander leaves, green chili, white salt and black salt and blend it, and now our green chutney is ready. Take out in bowl and add some lemon juice also. Taste will be enhanced and the color of the chutney will be the same for hours. So now I will make the sweet chutney or sauce. In a blender jar add tomato and jaggery and blend it, and now the red sauce or red chutney is ready now. So don't worry, it's healthy. Don't think it's deep fried or more salty. Now I will make chaat masala. In a pan add 4 or 5 red chili, cumin seeds, some coriander seeds. I am using coriander powder because I don't have coriander seeds. Don't worry, taste will be the same. And now roast it and grind well. Add amchur powder or dry mango powder and masala is ready. In a pan take 1 cup of white flour or maida. See, the 1 cup of maida and add carom seed. I am rubbing through my hand and add it. Add salt. Add 1/3 or 1/4 of ghee and now mix it till it binds. Now I will add chilled water. See, the trick is here. The dough of the samosa will be like this. Don't over knead. I will again bind the dough and it will be like this. Okay, so samosa will be flaky. Now keep aside for 15 minutes and I will make samosa. Watch very carefully because this part is little bit difficult. So with the rolling pin make roti with the ball and now cut it like this. Divide into 2 parts and make a cone like this. Keep it in the palm, and now I will fill the stuff like this. Little press with the finger. Spread the water so that it stick to each other very quickly and don't open. Okay, so it's like this, and samosa is ready. Again I am showing you another one. Make a cone, keep it in the hand or palm and like this, and fill the stuff and spread the water and stick like this. So like this, like sari fold. When we make the pleat of sari na, we make like this. So the samosa is ready now. Now all the rest of the samosa I am making like this. So do it like this. I am showing you many times. So now it is very easy for you. Okay. See, all the samosa is ready. Is it the perfect halwai style na? So make it like this. Heat the oil in the pan and dip the samosa inside it and fry it. If the blister appears na, the oil is very hot. So oil should be on the low flame only and it should be on the medium hot. And now the patience should be there. You have to fry at low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. And now the crispy, flaky and delicious samosa is ready like halwai style. Now all ingredients are ready and we will make samosa chaat. I am using green chili and red coriander leaves also. So press the samosa in the plate, add the green matar over it. You can plating as per your requires thing. I am using green chutney, red chutney, little pinch of chaat masala, green coriander leaves and the green chili. And see, the perfect samosa chaat is ready. So it's very easy recipe na. Try it in your kitchen and write back to me. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.